So, what is the story behind Mother Package?
The story behind Mother Package is parang one day ako tsaka si Kurt is nagkikwentuhan lang kami talaga. Parang vacant hours nun. Tapos parang nag-isip lang kami kasi nga 'di ba yung course namin is parang gumagawa ng mga brand identities, logo, ganon. So parang naisip namin, what if parang gumawa kami ng fun na na brand. Tapos nag-isip-isip kami ng parang mga playful na mga words. Tapos inisipan namin siya ng pwedeng maging product. So habang nag-iisip kami is may mga nabanggit sila Mother Package nga daw po. Tapos ayun, since then parang nag-play around kami dun sa may concept na yun. Tapos nakaisip kami ng mga pwedeng i-connect pa sa kanyang mga services and mga products na pwede pang i-offer ng ano na yun, company.
So here's the explanation behind the structure of our logo.
The main idea for our logo is that it should be recognizable and not confusing to those who will encounter our company for the first time. So, the hands represents how loving and caring our company is to our clients, like how a mother is to her child. It is also placed below the box because we want our company to show the customers that our foundation in building this company is made with pure intentions to help you create something you'll feel satisfied giving to your loved one. The diamond shape above the hands simply means the product that we are selling, while the ribbon is shaped with a heart to show that every packages that we ship have been taken care really well and made with a lot of thoughts put into creating one.
So for our brand archetypes, we decided that it should represent our brand really well. So first is everyman, second is creator, third is caregiver. Okay. So for everyman, Kurt will explain it.
We chose everyman as our brand archetype because we don't discriminate. We don't discriminate. Parang we already have our chosen target audience, which are Gen Zs. But although we do target the Gen Zs, but we don't discriminate. We are open to anyone at any age, gender, or sexuality, whatever.
So for the second one is the creator. So the idea behind our business is we want to create something that is new, something that is fun, something that you can use your creativity without hesitation, because
we want our customers to feel like they can, parang push out their creativity, diba? With the caregiver archetype,
you prioritize your needs to express every message, feelings that you want to send to your loved ones, to your friends, to your family. Our packaging is a recyclable material and handcrafted designs catered to our customers' preferences.
Our brand vision is to become a world-renowned packaging company, catering to our audience's preferences, understanding the customer's fits, needs, understanding our customers' needs that are fit for them. Here's the story with our teamwork, brainstormings, and also the challenges that we encountered as a company. And for the tagline's meaning, yan, harang ng mukha niya. Everyone deserves a good package. It's almost similar to what our name is. everyone deserves a good mother. The tagline itself, and for the tagline's meaning, everyone deserves a good package. It's a magical phrase that we can interchange the last part to any part that we can, because anyone could give you our gift package. But at most, it could be changed into like, everyone deserves a good mother. Everyone deserves a good friend. Everyone deserves a good husband. Stuff like that. You can interchange it because our packages, if someone gives it to you, if you give it to someone, that means they're special. And everyone deserves someone special. Our brand name has a rich history itself. Let me take you on a tour on how we became Mother Package. Okay, our team was a little bit bigger when we started. We were a team of 5. We came up with a few ideas for the name, of course, and we relied on a deduction process, which means we had a lot of names and then we deducted until we came up with the exact name that we want. But that's not what happened. We didn't really choose our name. Our customers chose the name for us. I personally had a survey, which at first only had about 30 plus respondents. My survey had the top 4 names that we have chosen, that the group have chosen. I think that my survey, or our survey, having that not much of participants, really had an impact on how my group mates or my teams have trusted the survey. Out of the 4 persons, out of the 4 names that we have in the survey, Mother Package has won. And I tell you, at the end of the day, they didn't really like the name of Mother Package. Mother Package won that first survey, the 30 plus respondents, and they didn't really like the name, and they said that I didn't really want to change the name because the name was my idea. Of course. 3 out of 5 members quit, questioning our brand's identity, calling us names such as unethical, unprofessional, and stubborn. Those words didn't pull us down. It lit a fire within us as a team of 2. I continued the survey and finished with 100 plus respondents, more than 100. That same survey also had a huge contribution for us on finding our target audience, which is most of the respondents were Gen Zs, and that we could see that they really like the name itself and our brand's values, that we connect to our name, and that's why they chose it. So we also chose the Gen Zs to be our main target. Also, as an everyman, of course, we're also catering to everyone, even the nuns. And as a brand, we are now thriving, even though we, had all those challenges. Mother Package. Ganito rin.
Hi, please state your name.
Hi, my name is Manuel.
So, did you receive or send a Mother Package gift box?
I sent the Mother Package gift box.
Who did you send it to?
I sent it to my friend.
What was their reaction?
Masaya silang natanggap yung regalo ko, and alam kong na-appreciate nila yan dahil nakita ko kung gano'n sila ka-excited nung nakuha nila. And nagandahan din sila sa package na nabili ko.
My name is Dan Nicole M. Siaboy.
Did you receive or send a Mother Package gift box?
Yes, nag-send ako sa Bebe Labs ko sa Jowa ako. Nagpa-send ako both gift and both wrapper ng Mother Package.
What was their reaction?
Sa reaction lang. Siyempre, unang reaction pag nakakita ka lang gano'n. Saya ka. Pero siyempre, sabi niya, ang ganda daw nung kahit mismo yung package, ang ganda ng package. Maganda daw yung package, parang kahit mismo yung package, sabi niya, Kahit mismo yung package itatabi mo hindi ka tulad ng ibang mga package na itapo mo na yung regalo. Both yung regalo, maganda yung regalo nila tsaka yung package. And masasabi ko maganda kasi yun, hindi ko nasabi, di ba? Masasabi ko maganda kasi pag unang tingin mo sa kanya mo, alam mo yun, yung parang nabibili mo sa mga mall. Pero mumurahin. Mura, maganda, quality.
How satisfied are you with our service?
How satisfied? Okay yung service nila. Ganda from their website, their customer communication until the end of transaction. Ang ganda kasi website nila, pag tinignan mo yung website nila, pwede ka mag-customize sa sarili mo. Meron na silang built-in, meron na silang mga package na nakalagay doon. So pwede ka pa mag-customize sa sarili mo. And then sa customer naman, customer service, responsive sila. Kurwari may tanong ka, may ganyan-ganyan. Responsive sila. Kung baga, babayaran mo na lang. Speaking of babayaran, yung mga nila, kompleto. May mga credit sila, may Gcash. Siyempre, Gcash ginamit natin. Ayun, kompleto. Kung baga, sabihin mo na sa kanila talaga, boss, gusto ko ganito regalo, ganitong package. Siya na bahala doon. Hanggang sa delivery. Ganda ng delivery nila, bilis lang din. Ayun. Satisfied naman ako. Nagustuhan din ng Bebe Labs ko.
We believe the greatest gifts are just the ones we hold. They're the ones that makes us feel seen, remembered, and loved. Every ribbon tied, every note written, every detail in our boxes tells a story. Your story.